TVS Motor Company has dropped the first teaser of the RP or Race Performance moniker, which could be a new sub-brand from the company. The teaser also hints at the arrival of the TVS Apache RTR 160 RP motorcycle, considering the company recently filed a trademark for the name. The upcoming Apache RTR 165 RP could arrive by early 2022 and is likely to be a track-oriented version of the Apache RTR 160 4V. While details are scarce, there is a possibility that the bike could get a larger displacement engine bored out of the 160cc single-cylinder motor of the Apache RTR 160 4V. The bike is likely to sport more dedicated ergonomics and possibly adjustable suspension as well. Other features could include riding modes, adjustable levers and more. More details regarding the race performance name from TVS will uncover in the days to come. Kawasaki India has announced a price hike for the new calendar year. The new prices will come into effect from the 1st of January 2022 and will see select motorcycles from the Japanese bike maker receiving a price increase. The company's popular selling Ninja 300 has seen a price hike of 6,000 rupees and will now retail at 3,24,000 rupees, while the newly launched Kawasaki Z650 RS gets more expensive by up to 7,000 rupees and will be priced at 6,72,000 rupees from next year onwards. More expensive models like the Kawasaki Versys 1000 gets a price hike of 17,000 rupees, while the Ninja 1000 SX is now pricier by 11,000 rupees. Prices for the ZH2 and the dirt bike range remain unchanged for the new year. Kawasaki has also said that customers who book the motorcycles on or before 31st of December 2021 and take delivery within 45 days from the date of booking can avail the current ex-showroom prices. Ducati has taken the wraps off its new Moto E project earlier than expected, revealing the new V21L electric race bike at the Misano World Circuit. The electric race machine will power the grid in the Moto E World Cup starting in 2023. Ducati announced its intent to be the supplier for the series earlier this year, and this marks the Italian motorcycle maker's foray into the electric vehicle space. The Ducati V21L gets the basic shape of the Italian bike maker, quite similar to the concept sketch. It features a double-sided swing arm with an under-brace design and progressive shock linkage. Power and performance figures have not been revealed, so we will have to wait a bit to know more about how the battery management system works on the race machine. Other cycle parts though do look familiar, with the Ducati V21L getting Öhlins suspension and Brembo brakes. The new bike will take over from the Energica Ego Corsa race machine that powers the grid currently.
We simply love hearing from you, so your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.